So here's the Holly Hedge. It's got a couple of other bits in it, but tops and sides basically. So this is the before, and then the top, obviously, that needs sorting out. It's all scroggly at the top like, so we'll get that knocked out as well. Right, well that's the sides done, so it's onto the top now. Some of you might be thinking why I'm not using a tarp. Couple of reasons. One, I've got tarps, but one reason is the plastic one that I use. It's a bit too windy to use it, and it's covering my mower at the moment in preparation to get it sorted for the spring. And secondly, the other tarp that I've got is actually a canvas one, so it just absorbs all the moisture, and at the end of the day I'll have to dry it out, and I've not really got anywhere big enough to hang it up because it's quite a big tarp. I think it's 3 by 2 meters, maybe a bit bigger actually, but anyway, so I don't have anywhere to hang it, so there's no point using it. And I don't mind a bit of graft, you know, raking up the clippings and whatnot. But you know, it's advisable when you can to use a tarp. It just speeds up the process at the end of the day. Right then, all done and dusted. Sides nice and straight. Let's have a look at the top. Yeah, top nice and straight, all done. All the way around, looks pretty straight to me. There we go, job done.